Hey there! Renting a booth means you're self-employed, even if it doesn't feel like it, Roam, which means your rent, your product, your tips, and your taxes are all yours to track. Let me walk you through the Salon and Barber booth renter income tracker, tab by tab. Start on settings, your booth rent, your tax set-aside rate, and your business details entered once. Daily income is your day-to-day record. Service money, retail money, cash, and card tips, and any tip out netted automatically per line. The Services tab is your menu and pricing, so you're quoting consistently and can see what each service is worth. Booth rent tracks what's due against what you've paid and shows any balance still owed. The client book keeps your regulars, their contact details, and what they usually book, your actual business asset. Product inventory tracks retail stock, flags anything at reorder level, and values what's sitting on your shelf. Expenses covers color, tools, education, licensing, and everything else that comes off before profit. Tax set aside takes each month's net and puts your percentage away, with a running reserve so quarterly payments aren't a shock, and the dashboard shows your gross, your average ticket, your tips per service, your retail attach rate, and your real take-home after tax. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.